In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to best use Pipedrive. We'll keep it clear and practical so you can set things up quickly and start seeing results right away. First, open Pipedrive and sign in. You'll land on a focused workspace built to move opportunities forward. Notice the essentials: people and organizations for your contacts, activities for tasks and follow-ups, and the pipeline where opportunities progress through stages. With that simple layout in mind, the rest will feel straightforward. Next, add your contacts. Create people for the individuals you work with and link each one to their organization so everything stays connected. Capture the basics you rely on: email, phone, role, and any quick notes that add context for future conversations. If you're migrating from a spreadsheet, use the import tool and map your columns to the right fields to save time. Keep your data clean by avoiding duplicates and using consistent naming. If you use labels, pick a small set you'll actually maintain. Good contact hygiene makes filtering, reporting, and outreach far more effective later on. Then, add activities. Every contact should have a clear next action: call, meeting, email, or task with a due date and reminder. Give each activity a brief, action-oriented title like "Call to confirm scope," and always link it to the right person or organization so your history stays in one place. When you complete an activity, jot a quick outcome and immediately schedule the follow-up. That simple habit keeps momentum going and prevents opportunities from stalling. Over time, your activity list becomes a reliable daily plan that tells you exactly who to contact and when. Now, add leads to your pipeline. Create a new item, choose the earliest stage that fits, and connect it to the contact you just added. Fill in helpful details such as the estimated value, expected close date, and lead source so you can forecast with confidence. As conversations progress, drag the lead forward through the stages and update your notes so the latest context is always visible. When a lead is clearly qualified, keep advancing it and continue scheduling activities so nothing slips through the cracks. To wrap up, open Pipedrive, add clean contacts, give every contact a next activity, and enter leads with enough detail to guide your decisions. Review your activities each morning, work your list, and keep records tidy as you go. With that rhythm, Pipedrive becomes a dependable system that shows you what to do next every day.